to the table for you to know that she is bringing something to the table. You are a jealous husband, a jealous boyfriend. You don't want your woman to work because you don't want other people to look at her. You don't want your woman to work because you think that if she work, she will no longer respect you. You don't want your woman to work to assist you. You don't want your woman to work because you think that if she works, she will take care of her family. And you don't also want to take care of her family. And you'll be the first to say, what do you bring to the table? Like, seriously? Women, you have to wake up. You have to also wake up. If you see that you don't have children yet to take care of, and you also know the type of husband that you are married to, please also learn to have something to do with yourself. Have something to do with your life. Be responsible of yourself. If you don't go to school, let's say you do not go to any school, you do not attend any secondary school, you don't have any certificate that you can look for a job, please look for a way to learn a trade. Have a handwork that you can, when you get married or after getting married, you can help yourself. You can do something, make yourself useful. Do something with your life, because it's even that bad. It's even that bad enough that you are not here having children and you are not working. You just stay in the house, making yourself to be a housewife, a complete housewife. How do you want this man to respect you? You can stay home. That is because you have children and you guys don't have money to look for a nanny. Even though it's not everybody that like their children to stay with somebody else. Yes, let's say you stay home because your children are still young. But what about you that you don't have a child yet? You are just married and you don't have a child yet. And this man tell you that you should not work, that you should just stay at home. And you have a handwork, you have a certificate, you have a degree, you know that you can go out there and do something useful for yourself. And you decide not to do that because your husband asks you not to. And this man is not able to provide for you. He's not able to provide for your family. He's not even able to provide for your own children. And because he asks you not to work, you know that if you go out there, you'll find something to do for yourself. You know that you have a handwork that you can hustle and assist your home. And because your husband asks you not to work, and you decide to make yourself a complete housewife. Really? How do you want the man to respect you? How? If a man cannot respect a woman that is having kids, that is having children, that has given him birth, has given children for him, and this woman is staying home with his own children, he cannot respect that woman. Do you think that is you, that you are not doing anything, you don't have kids yet, and you are not doing anything, you make yourself a complete housewife? Do you think that this man will respect you? He might love you for some time. He might love you for some time. But some men are that ungrateful that even if you even bring something on the table, they will still complain. If you bring something to the table, they will still complain. Let's say, for example, you having children for a man. Is that not something that you are bringing on the table? You have children for somebody. You give him children. You bear him children. And that is something that you have brought to the table. You wash his dresses. You stay home and take care of your children. That is something that you have brought to the table. And they are still coming to ask you, women, what do you bring to the table? I work my ass out and bring money to pay house rent. What do you bring to the table? What do you want women to bring to the table? Understand women, at least Some men, they will make noise. If you ask them to get pregnant for 9 months, they will not even do that. They will not try. In fact, they will not try, because it's not an easy task. I advise you not even to try. I'll advise you men not to even try. Assuming God said men should get married, should get pregnant for 9 months. Some men will not be able to do that, because it's not an easy task. Then not to talk of going to the labor room to push that baby out. Not to talk of going to the labor room to push that baby out. Just a few minutes of pain that you are feeling. Even if you work your money for 1 year, you cannot feel that type of pain. Even you, a man that went out there to work for 1 year, that pain that this woman took for few hours in the labor room, you cannot feel that type of pain. Then they have choice. Some men are that lazy that they don't even know what to do in the house. They have choice that this woman do. She cook, she take care of the kids, she clean the house, she wash the dresses, she take the baby to school. Your own is just to go out there, go to work money, and come back and ask the woman, what do you bring to the table? If you are that type of man, please, you better change. Better change, because you guys will not understand until when you taste it. You know that no, some of these women, they are trying. There's this movie.